Hello, I am happy you're here. Welcome to the Sage Patch. My name is Tiffany and this is my story of building a homestead here in the Midlands of South Carolina. First time homesteader, long time gardener, and yeah, first year growing in the humidity though of the southern states, and excited about it. So stay tuned for some fun, for some adventure, for a lot of randomness and happiness, and probably poorly edited whatever videos. I am a plant-based eater, so of course that's everything I'm growing is what I eat all the time. We also have some dogs who are on a raw meat diet, and so we'll actually be adding in some chickens for the homestead, for the gardening, for the soil, composting and all, but then also for eggs and meat for the dogs, probably rabbits, maybe some ducks too. I don't know, goats are so cute, but they're not on the list yet. But we'll see how it goes. So I'll be sharing with you recipes. I love raw foods. I love healthy foods. This is exciting for me. I'm kind of starting at ground zero. We've been here only a couple months and I've got a few things planted, kind of getting a lot of ideas, just been watching the weather and where the water is on the property and all that. So please comment, share, like, ask questions, share your wins, your struggles, what you're growing, how your homestead is coming along, and I look forward to sharing this adventure with you. Thanks for being here.